Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ethereum Classic. We are going to make a price prediction and the technical analysis. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get tons of benefits, including a very nice profit benefit, and of course many others such as personal guidance, educational videos, market updates, and many other. You will find the link in the description box and in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So Ethereum Classic is holding this line, right? The 38.63 keeps holding it, keeps going sideways. But unfortunately, as I thought that holding this line was good, I think that it will break it down. And the main reason I think about it, and the main reason I think that ETC will correct, is because of ETC against Bitcoin chart. Now, what does it have to do, Bill? Is it something that we need to be afraid of? Is it something that we need to be scared of? Okay. Ethereum Classic is going to underperform actually against Bitcoin. This is what I mean by that. It means that it depends a lot on Bitcoin chart. Of course, if BTC has a 6% pump, yeah, Ethereum Classic will pump, but unfortunately at 2 or 3%. But if BTC goes down like 5%, then Ethereum Classic is going to go down more than 7% for sure. Okay, so this is what I mean. For now, for the time being, we have this bearish RSI divergence for Ethereum Classic. Okay. Bearish RSI divergence for Ethereum Classic. Unfortunately, on the daily frame, this is the case. I'm expecting more correction for Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin chart. Right now, what do we have on the weekly frame? A very huge overbought with the RSI being above the 70s, overextending right here. And this is another factor that I think that ETC would fall down eventually. Now, if we draw the Fibonacci from this top right here down all the way to this bottom, you will see that in the logarithmic scale, we have the 0.618, which we haven't closed above yet. And if we do not close above, this is very bad, because in the weekly frame, 2 days from now, around 2 days from now, if we close below, expect a correction towards the lower levels of maybe 0.20s 1350. That's right, maybe it goes down there and Ethereum Classic will lose its position against Bitcoin chart, falling further down. Maybe today even we have a crash for Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin chart. I'm expecting a low volume due to the fact that it is weekend. Anyway though, let's go back to ETC against USDT chart. Right now you can see that I think that ETC against USDT will lose this position, especially if BTC cannot climb back up. Okay, you can see that in the 4-hour frame, we are constantly finding rejections. We do not seem good, and unfortunately here in the daily frame, we are more bearish than bullish. I have just a little bit of hope because we hold the 0.786. However, the other risk metrics show very much bearish signals, many actually bearish signals. So we go back to the ETC against the USDT chart and we are going to lose the 38.63. That means that the next support level will be around 35 USDT, following by the 32.29. Now, what is the case for ETC against USDT? Is it going to drop down so heavily? Are we going to go all the way down right here? Or is it going to stop at these support levels, for example, and then it has a run upwards? No one knows that for sure. I will be holding that and I will be focusing more on the 32.29 to be honest with you, and the 35, especially the 32.29. It seems that it is a very huge resistance level for now, support level for now. And I will be catching my eye here. If it has a nice buying pressure on the daily frame, maybe it can turn things up. Because right here you will see that ETC has done something good. It hasn't formed here a bearish RSI divergence. Yes, we had a crazy overbought situation going on for ETC, but at this moment, as the way I'm seeing ETC, it hasn't made any bearish RSI divergence. And on the daily frame as well. Look at that. ETC against USDT hasn't formed any bearish RSI divergence, only ETC against Bitcoin chart. But unfortunately, yes, we are holding a very high risk. That's why I would recommend to stay a little bit away from ETC right now, especially for the long positions. I'm thinking that it should be going into the next days, not by the time I just upload the video, into the 35 and the 32.29. Right now, sideways option is the best choice, I think, for EDC. Going a little bit sideways, a little bit up, a little bit down right here until BTC might go further down. We will see about that until BTC might be having a huge correction going on or a pump eventually. These are some very confusing days for traders right here, including me. I have targets. I have made an update on Bitcoin. You can check it out today on my videos. Okay, and so you can see that I'm thinking that BTC is going to go down, ETC against Bitcoin is going to underperform, and therefore ETC against USDT is going to drop down as well. I'm hoping that these not bearish or say divergences are going to play out someday in the future, and we are going to have a rebuying pressure going upwards, but ETC has already pumped so much and it is now in an overbought situation in many time frames, so you have to be extremely careful. Thank you so much for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are, and do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you, see you soon, bye.